to get wrecked. All respect to my thugs collecting checks with the motherfucking fans on their back. Stay strapped black as the world is filled with fakes. Straight trying to take my shit cause they reviewed with hate. Like a motherfucking Blake G, run up and face, man. I'ma let you rats get a taste of 380. Maybe it was just my broken home that make me realize niggas talking shit and with an open dome. Who am I to change what's in my blood, nigga? Running these streets for years made me a ruthless thug, nigga. Pay attention when the OGs ride, ain't no game to play. This is your own land life and we're all on death row. But I can make it, they can break a shift to the living, dealing the death blow. This ain't no wait, my nigga, I'm a break spots. This is for all your motherfuckers trying to take mine.
Rolling down the avenue, niggas got my back. We got so much ahead, homie, I'm never looking back. Enemies in the review, they can't hold me down. With this death row sound, we gon' show the man.
Supposedly a dead motherfucker causing ruckus and pain. It's like I'm back in 96, a nigga stuck in the game. Up in your brain with a bomb ass beat. DOP, let me breathe again. Fear the soldier, I'll be the ceaser. I'm on the long ass street killing weak motherfuckers in the sleep keeping up. Ain't no peace, let the motto be my baseline. And let this mama be sitting down at this grave crying cause he tried to take my shit. It's like a player was made to go off. Thinking mine's just a line of that hate shit too cross. For your own sake, bodies look the plastic and closed casket. Just split postmortem stitches won't mask it. I'm rolling in my drop top, laid back while I reach for the motherfucking apex. All y'all niggas can't compete, cause if you try, you'll be late to sleep. Now let my people ride.
Rolling down the avenue, niggas got my back. We got so much ahead, homie, I'm never looking back. Enemies in the review, they can't hold me down. With this death row sound, we gon' show them out.
I got a tendency to kill.